Let me get back to HMH Player. We've gone over this view library. The report section is very valuable. It will show you the progress on every assignment, the kind of the score that your child gets on every assignment. Kids don't tend to look at this very often, but you can also choose progress right here, and it will show you your child's progress through every single one of the third grade math standards. So you get to get a great picture of your child's strengths and weaknesses within math. Let's look at the assignments. So the assignment right here, to start it up, I can click anywhere in this little white zone and it'll open up this next page. Generally, this will tell you when the assignment is due. You can also see that in several other spots. I can see my progress and also when it's due up here. So choose start, and I don't know where I finished or stopped last time. Okay. So first page that they'll get to is this, just general ideas what the buttons do within the app. I'm going to go to the activity though. It looks like I was on step 9 or question number 9, and there are some tools over here. So I can view the example. If this question does not make sense, I can view an example, and the program will walk me through the entire way of how to solve that exact problem. Once I'm comfortable looking at all that information, I choose try another. Same exact type of problem, just with some different numbers. Okay. Sometimes the third graders understand maybe the concept, but they're a little confused as how to get to that final answer. Step by step, we'll walk them through each of the, in this case, 4 steps, how to get to the final answer. So it'll break it down into smaller components, which tends to make more sense for them. Another resource we have here is the textbook. So this might be more valuable if once we move past chapter 8 and into chapter 9 and we don't have the physical workbooks at home. You can click on this right here, textbook. So for this lesson, it gives me all of the actual workbook pages that would have been in chapter 1 workbook for lesson 1. These are exactly what they looked like in their booklets. So you can look at them here. You can also come up a little higher. So come up to this area right here, and we can rotate it if it needs to be. I can download it to my computer, or I can just print it. So if you want to do workbook pages with your child and maybe they need some reinforcement and the program's not quite doing everything, you can print out those pages too. I'm going to exit out of that. Another opportunity we'll get, and I don't know if we have any that will show up here. Occasionally in this area, you'll get these 3 and a 4th, not print. I mean, you can print this page if you want. But another one we would get that says it's math on the spot. So it's a quick video to teach this concept, kind of like a reinforcement. Maybe the YouTube video didn't quite do it for them. And the math on the spot video from somebody, a representative of the publishing company, teaches this kind of same concept. And maybe that will do the trick for them. So I really encourage the kids to use these tools over here, these resources, to kind of teach them maybe how to walk through the problem. And if that doesn't work, of course, come see me or possibly you at home, and we can help them out. Okay. A couple other things I want to show real quick. I'll show you what it looks like when we get something right. So 7 plus 2 equals 9. It says show the commutative property. So that means we can switch our addends around and it still gets the same sum. So I'll type that in correctly, check my answer. I know I got it right. Then I go to my next question, and 2 plus 5, maybe I don't know, maybe I know that's 7, but I don't know how to use the commutative property to show the answer, what they want. And so if I type it in wrong and choose check answer, it will tell me try again. And it will give some other instructions, maybe of what that property means or some different strategies. These are great learning opportunities, and the kids don't always take advantage of them. So you might want to help your child out maybe a little bit here to kind of get them to use that resource. Anyway, that's kind of the basics of how to use the app. Your child is an expert at using this app. And so they will be able to show you how things work within here. So don't have to feel like you need to know everything. They've already got it. So thanks for listening, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the term. Thank you.